and welcome to another video by Scrap Happy Maria. Today I'm going to share with you one of my recent online purchases, and it is going to be an unboxing of the Canon Selphy CP1300. This is a personal printer for photos, in case you're not familiar with it, and I'm super excited to have it today to share with you. I've been thinking about getting a Canon Selphy for a little while now. I know probably you can relate when I tell you that there are often times when we're at a scrapbooking crop and you cut a picture the wrong way, or you don't have a picture printed that you thought you had. This is going to be the awesome, perfect opportunity for me to just print pictures on the go exactly when I need them. I purchased my Canon Selphy on Amazon. It was $148 for the actual machine, and it only comes with 5 photo papers. So then I bought this additional kit, which was $45, and it comes with 108 papers, as well as the ink cartridges to print those photos. So total with taxes and shipping on Amazon, it was about $220, and that comes out to about 44 cents a print when you take into consideration the additional pack. So let's take a look and see what's inside this baby. All right, looks like we have your average Canon guide. There's the little pack of papers that we will print our first 5 photos on. This is the track that holds your papers. You'll put that into your printer. Oh, so exciting. That's your ink cartridge. Cord does take electricity. There's more power. Oh, that's the other half of the adapter. And then this is the actual printer itself. Ooh, 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 so exciting. All right. Let's look at some of the features of our Selphy Canon. On the back, we have the port for our power. This is where your ink cartridge goes. There is an arrow on your cartridge to make sure you only put it in. It will only go in one way, but you want to make sure you put it in the way. Snaps in, close your door. The front of your Selphy is where your paper tray goes. We're going to load that. Oh, you see there is a room for an SD card if you're not working wireless, as well as some other devices can be attached here. So let's load our paper. Okay, there's a door there that you close when you're not using it. And then you can either slide your pages right in, or you can just open that up to put in more than a couple of sheets. These are the ones that came with my Selphy. That's just a cover sheet, so you want to take that off. And then put those in there. And you only need to close the bottom level. And you turn it around, and it's just going to slide really easily into your Selphy, and you're going to hear it snap. Do you hear that? There are lots of options when you first turn on your Canon Selphy. The options just to print. There are other print sizes that you can choose, and you can print from your memory card or from your phone. And then there's settings and the Wi-Fi, which we've already set up for our home network. And then you can also print an ID photo if you want to. So we're gonna print just a regular photo, and I've already installed the app, the Canon printer app. From there, I wanna go to photo print. Then I have an option to choose the photo that I wanna print. So I'm just gonna go back here and choose one from our special evening that we had the other night with the kids. That one. No, let's do one where we're smiling. That one. All right, then I'm gonna press next. And I have the option to edit it if I want to. I'm gonna print one copy, and I'm going borderless. So if I wanted to change my settings, I could go into there. I'm just gonna click. The photo's gonna come out the back, and you're gonna see it go in and out 3 times as the 3 different colors get printed. Oh, it's looking very lovely. This does print in gloss, and it gives you some borders which are perforated, so you can just snap those off and then you'll have a perfect 4x6 print. I'd say that that looks pretty good. Thank you so much for watching my latest video. I hope you enjoyed finding out about the Canon Selphy. I can't wait to use it some more. So if you have any questions about it, please enter them in the comments below and I will address them on my next video, which we will go through in a little while after I've played more with my new printer and I have a better idea of what the pros and cons of it are. If you stumbled upon this Scrap Happy Maria YouTube video by accident because you were looking for Selphy Canon printers, then I hope that if you're a scrapbooker, you will continue to follow me and see all kinds of videos on Creative Memories products and product releases and scrapbooking ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.